Hello, our project title is on disease detection in plant using machine learning. In our group, there are 4 members: Monali Thorat, Bhushan Marik, Sudarshan Barure, and Akhil Kalal. And our project group guide name is Professor Aruna Gupta ma'am. The outline of our project is abstract, introduction, motivation, literature survey, problem statement, objectives and scope, system requirement, architecture, modules for training and testing, modules for image processing, algorithm, experimental result, application, summary, reference. One by one we'll see in detail. Abstract. The project presents plant disease detection using image processing technique for automated vision system used at agriculture field. In agriculture, research of automatic plant disease detection is essential one in monitoring a large field of crop and thus automatically detect symptoms of disease as soon as they appear on leaf. For this approach, automatically classifier CNN will be used for classifier based on learning with some training samples on that two category. Finally, the simulated result shows that used network classifier provide a minimum error during the training and better accuracy in classification. Farmer approach to the agriculture consultant for the recognition of the plant disease. Now introduction. Definition of machine learning. Machine learning is nothing but it is a study of computer algorithm that improves automatically through experience. It focuses on developing of computer program that can be access data and use it learn for themselves. Now in traditional programming and machine learning, in traditional programming the input and program is given, then it generates the output. But in machine learning, data and output is given and it generates a program. In machine learning, the data requirement can be trained or the lesser data. It gives a lesser accuracy. The training time, it takes a less time to train the data. And hardware dependency is depend upon a CPU. The prevention of the disease is essential except cannot be given a consistent diagnosis. Computer aided system had been made automatically detect disease in plant leaves. Now motivation. It is very difficult for farmers to identify various diseases in plant. The essential annual crop losses due to the plant disease at worldwide is $16 billion. The traditional tools and technique are not very useful since it takes up a lot of time and a manual work. However, with the help of the disease detection system, this difficulty will be no longer prevented. The further part will be explained by my other group member. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Sudarshan Nagesh Burure. My exam sheet roll number is 71639710C. The next slide is comparison of literature survey. The first paper is Krishi Mitra, Farmer Friend, using machine learning to identify disease in plants, published in International Conference on Internet of Things and Intelligent System Analysis, IEEE, in year 2018. The technique used to identify diseases in plant is TensorFlow framework by CCN model. The advantages of this paper is fungi caused disease in sugarcane. Second, the only leaf area is calculated. Disadvantages of this is high implementation is required and there is a computational complexity. The second paper is mango leaf deficiency detection using digital image processing and machine learning, published in International Conference for Convergence in Technology IEEE in year 2018. The techniques used to identify disease in plant is image processing. Advantages: less accurate white flies, increased the crop yield to avoid loss. Disadvantages: harvest the strong impact of damage level, use of pesticides, harm to soil. The third paper is plant disease detection using machine learning, published in International Research Journal of Engineering and Technology IEEE in year 2018. The technique used to identify disease in plant is canning edge detection algorithm. Advantages: accurate detection of leaf diseases, attention to specific plant. Disadvantages: perception of human eye is not so much stronger. Second, enhanced productivity of crop. The next slide is problem statement. Our problem statement is to detect diseases on leaves of plant and recommend the pesticides as per the type of diseases to farmer. When the plant has been infected or attacked by some disease, the other areas has been exposed to be infected. Thus, it will decrease plant yield and it also reduces farmer income. Currently, the farmer determines the type of disease manually. The error might occur in order to determine the type of disease. Farmers also have to spend a lot of time to detect the type of disease. It also takes a time as the farmer manually check the disease since field is in wide area. Now we will see objective and scope of our project. First we will see objectives. To find the interaction between the disease causing agent and host plant in relation to overall environment, to identify various diseases in plants, to implement a method for preventing the disease and providing management for reducing the losses or damages caused by diseases. Now we will see scope of our project. Prevent diseases on plants for farmers. Second, help out the pesticide company in predicting the new pesticide solutions. The next slide is system requirement. In this, we will see what are the system requirements, hardware as well as software for this project. First, we will see hardware requirements. The processor required for this project is Intel Core i3 5th generation. RAM minimum 4 GB, hard disk minimum 500 GB. Software requirements: operating system Windows 8 and above. Programming languages: Python 3.8. Browser: Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox or Internet Explorer, but we will prefer to use Google Chrome as it has some built-in functions and add-ins. The next part will be continued by Mr. Bhushan Mahadi. Thank you so much.
Solution. Next slide is architecture. In architecture, we will see how our system is work. As we see in architecture, there are two parts: image processing and training model. So if farmer see some visual symptoms on leaf, then he will capture that leaf image and farmer send a affected leaf image to agriculture consultant. Agriculture consultant is nothing but who handling the system. After taking a affected leaf image from farmers, a agriculture consultant put that leaf image for image processing. Before start for image processing, first we have to train our model, because our model have no idea what type of input is coming. So we have to train our model so that our model knows the particular image contain some features or diseases. With the help of that, model can give us accurate disease output. We will provide thousands or more than thousands amount of images to train model which contain different types of diseases. Training model take input as leaf image. After taking input leaf image, that image goes under 4 stages. First stage is convolution layer. Convolution layer is the first layer to extract features from an input image. Convolution preserves the relationship between pixels by learning image features using small squares of image data. It is a mathematical operation that takes two inputs such as image matrix and a filter. As we see in slide, the left side slide is a 5 by 5 image matrix which is multiplied 3 by 3 filter matrix which is called feature map. In convolution layer, padding process is done. Sometimes filter does not fit perfectly the input image. We have two options: pad the picture with 0 so that it fits, and drop the part of the image where the filter did not fit. This is called valid padding, which keeps the valid part of the image. After convolution layer, that image goes under second stage, that is ReLU unit. ReLU unit is nothing but rectified non-linear unit. The purpose is to introduce non-linearity in convolution. In ReLU unit, it do a negative values become 0. As we see in slide, the left side original image have some negative values. So in output, that negative value becomes 0. So this process is done under ReLU stage. After ReLU unit, the image goes under third stage, that is pooling layer. Pooling layer section will reduce the number of parameters when the images are too large. In pooling layer, there are three types of pooling: max pooling, average pooling, sum pooling. Max pooling takes the largest element from the rectified features. Taking the largest element could also take the average pooling. Sum of element in the features map called sum pooling. So as we see in slide, we take max pooling with a 2 by 2 filter. After pooling layer, that image goes under fourth stage, which is the final state of our training model, that is fully connected layer. In this layer, we extract the features of our images with as much as high accuracy. Fully connected layers are an essentially component of convolutional neural network, which have been proven very successfully in recognizing and classifying image for computer vision. The CNN process begins with convolution and pooling, breaking down the image into features and analyze them independently. Fully connected layer connected every node on previous layer to every node on current layer. As we see in slide, x1, x2, x3, x4, this is input layer. y1, y2, y3, these are output layer. In between, many hidden layers are present. So more amount of hidden layer gives you a more accurate features of that image. After extracting the features of this image, that image stored in a database. After storing image in database, image processing process will be started. That process will explain by Akhil.
Hello, I am Akhil Kalal from BEIT, roll number 15. In this video, I will explain you model for image processing. As detecting whether the plant is diseased or not, we are using a CNN algorithm. In our project, the CNN algorithm mainly consists of two modules. First one is training and testing, and second one is image processing. In the image processing, there are the three important processes are to be followed, in which first one is processing. Farmer sends an affected leaf image to the agricultural consultant for check whether the plant is diseased or not. After receiving an input image from the consultant, the image relaxation occurs with the help of RGB format. The size reduction is used in CNN. For reducing a size of array pixel matrix, we directly do the matrix multiplication with the filter matrix. So by this process we can easily convert the given matrix with the fixed size as we want. As seen in example, the leftmost matrix is array pixel matrix of original input image. After alternate pixel elimination, the reduced matrix is formed. The second module was feature extraction. In this module, there are the lots of array matrix are available for feature extraction. We have to extract the feature from that matrix as we need. This process mainly used for extracting the structured information from unstructured data. The process of extraction takes a set of document as input and output the structured data. The third and important process of image processing was classification. In the classification is a placing of each individual under a study of many classes. Classification is used to analyze the measurement of an object to identify the classes from which they belongs to. Classification is used to establish an efficient relation and analyze the using data. Training and testing algorithm. There are the basically 9 steps occurs in training and testing algorithm. Step 1, start. In this step, the input leaf image goes on different training process such as convolution layer, ReLU, pooling and fully connected layer. Step 2, prepare a database healthy or unhealthy. In this step, the training data set is stored in a database. The database consists of healthy or unhealthy both the images. Step 3, pre-processing. In this step, the input image from the farmer through an agricultural consultant are allowed and goes on normalization, that is, reduce it a size of 64 by 64 is carried out. Step 4, train the CNN. In this step, the normalized matrix are reduced with the help of CNN. We are directly do the matrix multiplication for given converted matrix and filter matrix. Step 5, real image from camera or PC. The input image from farmer through an agricultural consultant is captured through an camera, which are helpful for pre-processing. Step 6, pre-processing. In this step is the images is used for the pre-process is size of 64 by 64. Step 7, test the network. In this step, the two different modules, that is training, testing and image processing, are compared. Step 8, if the probability of healthy image is greater than the probability of unhealthy images, then display the healthy images, otherwise display the unhealthy images. Step 8, go to step number 4. So this iteration will goes on up to whether the check the images is healthy or not. Then after last step is step 9, and the end of the algorithm. So this is the algorithm is needful for our project for training and testing algorithm.
So as we know, we have to train our module. After module or a system training, our system will ready for give you output. When farmer will go to agriculture consultant, then at the start first page will open. In that you have to log in. Then after login for agriculture consultant or whoever handling the system, then after the login the main module page will start. That is capture image. In case if you use webcam, then you can capture the image directly, or else if you are not capturing the image, you can take image from your device. Or storage. In case we have given 1000 or more than 1000 amount of images which are stored in our database, then you have to select a choose option which is shown in the next slide. This capture slide is optional. So in next slide, after you choose the file, that image comes under the original image block. After that, you have to click on the test. First output will tell you this is the faulty image, and in the next slide, which is the output second, in that will tell you disease affected leaf, and it will tell you the disease name of the leaf, so that how our system will analysis.
Application of our project. There are the lots of applications are available using an CNN algorithm, but there are the majorly important application are as follow. First one is image recognition. Image recognition is an ability of software to identify the object, place, people, writing and the action in the images. The second application is classification. It supports the accurate and automatic detection of leaf disease with an precision or accuracy of around to 93%. Third application is nothing but prediction. The camera and the other application are used for calculate the professional predictions. Fourth application is extraction. The extraction technique is used for medicinal plant extraction, as the term is used to involve the separation of medicinally active portion of plant. Last but not least, plant disease prediction and fertilizer suggestion. It is a main motive of our application. Summary of our project. Describe a deep convolutional neural network based on the model of detection foliar disease in plant using more than the 80,000 image for training and validation. Demonstrated that the model can be applied to a wide variety of plant or disease types. In the future, the proposed system may be implemented by adding extra services like nearby the government store, price list for the pesticides and nearby open market and many more. Also, proposed system may be available through the application. The given system uses resizing, thresholding and Gaussian filtering for image preprocessing. To segment the leaf area, the finally CNN classification technique is used to detect the type of plant disease. For our project, which are plant disease detection using machine learning, we are taken the reference which are as follow.